What's going on, everyone? It's Mr. Cruz. This video is specifically for my viola students in second period advanced orchestra. I hope you all are doing fantastic, keeping safe and healthy, most importantly, and keeping up to date with all your schoolwork during this school closure. In this video, I'm going to be discussing how to create and construct your relative minor scales. And if you have any questions, make sure you send me a message on Schoology or send me an email using district email. Please do not leave any comments in the comment section of this video. So, like I said, we're going to be constructing our relative minor scales. There are three types of relative minor scales. There's your natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor scale. Now, why is it called relative minor? It's called relative minor simply because it's related to the major scale. So we're going to start off first with the best major scale in the world, and that is C major. Okay, C major. So let's just start from open C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. D, C. Okay, so that's your C major scale. Let me label that for you guys. C major scale. I'm assuming all of you know how to play this major scale. It's the best scale in the world simply because of the key signature. No sharps, no flats. Now, when it comes to creating your minor scales, you need to be able to know immediately what the sixth scale degree is of a major scale. So the sixth scale degree of your C major scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's A. Okay, so if C is the first scale degree, A is the sixth. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so there we go. So A is the sixth scale degree. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to start from A. Okay, I'm going to start from A and start a C major scale starting on A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. And when you start a C major scale on the sixth, which is A, and you keep going, you basically play A natural minor. Okay, let me say that again. If you start your C major scale on the sixth, which is A, you go from A up to higher A and back down to low A. You play what's called your A natural minor scale. Now, why is it called natural? Well, again, like I said, we took it from C major. We keep the same key signature. But what really makes it natural minor is that we didn't add any accidentals. We didn't raise or lower anything. Okay, it's just natural. Okay, so again, this A natural minor scale is just a C major scale starting at A, going up to high A, and going back down to low A. So that's your A natural minor scale. Why is it called relative minor? Why is it called relative minor? Well, the reason why it's called relative is because they're related. So if just think like family. Why are you related to this family member? Well, you're related through your aunt, or you're related through your your uncle. You have something in common with that person. That's why you're related. Why are these two scales related? Why C major and A minor related? It's because of the key signature. They have the same key signature, no sharps, no flats. All right, let's move on. Let's go to A harmonic minor. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy and paste that, rename this to A harmonic minor. Now, the reason why we're doing it like this is because they're virtually the same. So the difference between A harmonic minor and A natural minor is in the seventh. Okay, so what's the seventh scale degree of A natural minor? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seventh is G. Okay, so all you need to do to make a natural minor scale harmonic is raise the seventh. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Raise the seventh a half step. on both sides. Okay, and now you have A harmonic minor. Again, the difference is that the 7th is raised a half step. Just look at the difference. Okay, and let's play that really quick. Let's measure 9. All right. What makes the A harmonic minor scale kind of stand out for me is that between the 6th and the 7th right here, that is the interval of an augmented second or a minor third. That's the huge difference there, and that's what makes this scale kind of stand out from all the other minor scales, is that augmented second minor third interval right here. So again, the difference here between harmonic minor and natural minor is that the 7th is raised. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to paste the natural minor scale again twice, just to keep the scales close together. Over here, I'm going to rename this the melodic minor scale. All right, now the difference between the melodic minor scale and the natural minor scale is that in a natural minor in a melodic minor scale, the 6th and the 7th are raised. So I'm going to raise the F up a half step to F sharp, and I'm also going to raise the G up a half step to G sharp. Okay, you only need to raise the 6th and the 7th when you're ascending. Okay, you only need to raise the 6th and the 7th when you're ascending. Descending, it's just your A natural minor. Okay, so if you look at the two scales up here, descending is A natural minor. Ascending is your 6th and 7th scale degrees raised. Okay, so F is F sharp here, and G is G sharp. Okay, so that's that. Those are your 3 relative minor scales. I'm going to review this one more time. Why is it called relative? It's called relative because they're related by key signature. The key signature is the same. Okay, how do you get to the relative minor? You find the 6th scale degree. You get to the 6th scale degree of your major scale. All right, and that's how we get to A over here. A natural minor. Why is it called A natural minor? Well, it's because you're basically starting a C major scale on A. All right, and if we don't change anything, we don't add any accidentals, we don't raise or lower anything, it's natural, A natural minor. Okay, you're just starting your C major scale on the 6th. You're just starting a major scale on the 6th scale degree. In this case, it's A. Harmonic minor. How do we get to harmonic minor? Harmonic minor, the 7th in a harmonic minor scale, the 7th is raised compared to the natural minor. Okay, so if in the natural minor scale, the 7th is G, in a harmonic minor, the 7th is G sharp. Okay, and that's ascending and descending on both sides. Okay, next is melodic minor. What's the difference? Melodic minor, when you're ascending, the 6th and the 7th are raised. So F is F sharp, G is G sharp. Descending, okay, descending is just your A natural minor scale. All right, so that's all that for starting on the key of C and going to A minor. Hopefully you transfer that to other keys. For example, if you're in the key of D major, okay, your relative minor is going to be B. If you're in the key of G major, your relative minor is going to be E. Okay, and again, they're related by key signature. The key signature is all the same. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you send me a Schoology message or you email me through my district email account. All right, that's that.